Well, what is up, guys? It's Billy Kid here, bringing you guys a tutorial. This is going to be my second upload of the day. It is a tutorial, so yeah, let's get right into it. So today is going to be a tutorial on making kits on servers with essentials. So you're going to need two things for this. You're going to need, well, I guess two. No, you do one thing. So you're going to need one thing, which is going to be Notepad++, which is like a super duper notepad thingy. It's basically, I don't know what it is. It's basically, it's like a coding tool, but it's better than Notepad. We'll just say that. Nailed it. But you're gonna want to download Notepad++. Download will be in the description. There's also gonna be another link that you're gonna need for everything. But yeah, so making kits to find. Okay, well first you want to get essentials, the essentials thing, which is pretty easy to find. I mean, just look up essentials, get it. And it depends if you are using a web server hoster like Triangle.js or other things, or you're streaming it right from your computer like this. You have it on your desktop. So if you have it on your desktop, you want to go to plugins, you want to go to essentials, and you want to go config.yml and edit with Notepad++, and then it'll come up with this, blah blah blah. So yeah, but if you have like Triangle.js or things that require FTP, you are going to want to use FileZilla, which is basically the same thing, but you connect to it through FileZilla, where you connect with the host you use. This is mine and stuff. I'm not showing my password though. So this is everything, all my plugins for my server. And so to create a kit, you know, same thing, essentials and config.yml. When you press view/edit, it will usually say, what would you like to open this with? Regular Notepad, but you want to browse for Notepad++, wherever you downloaded that. And then yeah, so you get it, and once you have config.yml open, you want to kind of scroll down until you see kits. I have a feeling it's up. Yeah, it's up. It's all the way up. I don't know where it is. I have to look for it. It's right here. So these are all my kits for my server. All this stuff. But to make a new kit, you want to go right under the kits that there already is. I'm pretty sure there's one that's tools. I'm pretty sure that's like in Fireworks and Notch. But you want to press enter and you want to go delete until you're back to the beginning of the line, where if you press delete again, it goes back. So you want to do that, and you want to spacebar twice, and you want to call it whatever you want, but with no capitals. So let's just say I want this to be test. So, and then you have a colon. And inside of test, you want to space and space again to put the delay. This is in seconds. So if you can do a conversion, but 86,400 is 1 day of seconds, so we'll just do that. And anything else can be later. And then you want to delete again, so because if you just do that and then you press items, it goes red, and then it will not. When you try to use it, it says kit will be improperly defined. So then you put items, colon, and then you press enter again, backspace, and then you want to press space 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You put a dash, a space, and then this is where the second link, which will be Minecraft ID list, comes in. So basically, this has every single block and item Minecraft has, all the IDs. So let's just say this test kit you want to have. Let's just say a diamond sword, which is 276. Hold up a sec. Alright. So it's 276, right? So you go back into here and you press space after your dash and you go 276 space 1. That's a quantity you want. So yeah, Notepad usually does that like that. You can just like press anything, click anywhere else. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. But to add more items, you don't just press enter and space dash, because look, the red numbers. So you just gotta delete until there, and then space, 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 space 6 times, and then enter your new one, which will, I'll just say 268. That's a wood sword. 364, which is meat. So fail. So yeah, that's about it for making kits. There's also another thing like entering enchantments, where you just press space after the quantity, and then you just enter the sharpness name, the enchantment name. So let's just say I want this to be sharpness, and then you do colon, and then you do the level, so 5, and then you want to have another one like fire aspect, and then you do another colon, and then 2. So that's enchantments. I'm pretty sure lore is the exact same. I'm not too sure. I have no idea. I'll leave a link here. Wait, there should be one that's up here. There should be like a kit tutorial. Yeah. Just double click on the link there. If you find lore. Yeah, okay, yeah, it was the same. So you can name it anything you want, and then put the lore. So let's just say I want this to be called, name is gonna be the Giga Sword, and then lore you can put in colors by putting the and sign, and then 1 through 0 and A through F. F is white, but so on. So I'm just gonna do like a purple, like a light purple, and the lore is gonna be test kit. I don't know. So that's about it. I guess you can do that for this. I'm not too sure. I've never tried it, because this is steak, so you can do this and call this one the Giga Meat, and then the lore can be another purple one, like mighty test meat. So after that, you want to save it. Now, if you save it and you have it, in one of these, in one of the desktop folders. Oh wait, whoops. Well, yeah. If you have it in the desktop folder, I'll show you after this. But if you have it in FileZilla, it'll say file previously opened has been changed. File name, config.yml, server, blah blah blah. Remote path, plugins, essentials. Upload this file back to the server. You press yes. You wait for it to say start upload. File transferred. File transfer successful, and you basically just have to reload your server. So, and if you have it on here, sorry about the Skype notification. If you have it on here, once you save it, it should be saved automatically. You go into your console, which would be here. I don't use this, but you just put reload, or you do /reload in the game. So yeah, and to show you it works, I will open up my Minecraft, and then play. Yeah, I use Optifine. And wait for it to load. I'm gonna multiplayer, refresh. This is the no IP address, the blazecraft.official blazecraft no IP, and then this is the actual IP, which is blah 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 blah. Okay, yeah. So you just join each one. They're both the same. And then you see, and then you go /reload. Say hi. See if it's working. Say lag. You can see it's working. just type. If you have like my factions thing to make the factions actually show up, you'll know it works. If it says that factions recolor, factions rule prefix, factions tag, and then your rank and stuff, and then there's that. So now if you do /kit, you should see test, yes, kit test, and then boom, Gigameat test, Gigasword test. Oh yeah, you can't have spaces in your lore. I totally forgot about that. So you just go back here, and then you go test or Gigameat, Gigameat, and then just go Gigasword. But you can change it so it's like bold, and then you can do like different colors. It's pretty cool making these. Yeah, it's actually very cool. What am I talking about? Making it, and then you can change it also. I'm pretty sure you can put colors in the name. I don't know. No, you can't. Never mind. That's a lie. I was lying. But yeah, you save it. Oh, also, yeah, that's it. So you save it. You go back to your FileZilla, press yes. Except because this is Essentials, and Essentials is like super amazing, instead of having to do /reload and waiting for it, you can just do /essentials reload. The essentials will reload, and then if you do kit test, there are different Gigameat, and so yeah, that's about it. I do know you can. I know you can put colors in the name. I'm pretty sure if you just do it, like Gigameat, I'm pretty sure it'll work. I actually do not know. We could just try it. It's probably going to say it's improperly defined. Just reload. Nailed it. Kit. I don't know. Will it work? Yeah, it works. You see? You see? No, it doesn't work. Never mind. Wait. Maybe. L and 5. And L. I have no idea. I will have to look that up. It's probably on here. It's probably here. I don't know, maybe. Name. Yeah, it works. Should work. I have no idea. Maybe. If we save it, it should work. Maybe we don't put the and L. Maybe we just go and 5. Save it. And yeah, so this is actually me testing it out as well. Even though I do know how to make kits. There will be more. I'm still a little sick, so there will be more tutorials coming up for like servers and stuffs. I do not know why it's not working. Here, wait. Let's clear inventory. Okay, let's try now. Yeah, it's still just Gigasword. I will look. I mean, it should work. If I just go, if I copy this. Yeah. So if I just copy it, or if I could probably put it in here, couldn't I? And C and L. Yeah, it's probably gonna work in here though. It's probably because if I clear the inventory, essentials, reload, and then I kit test. Boom, it works. Gigameat, that works too. It's purple. It all works. I'm pretty sure. Yes, it works. I actually didn't know that. So yeah, you can play around with that. I'm gonna delete this kit. But you never want a extra little like line here, or else the kit won't work. Actually, it screws up all kits. So you just want to make sure that like there's no extra line between line 289 and 290. But yeah, IP of my server will be in the description. Everything I use will be in the description, like how the download for this Minecraft ID list. And yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. I hope it wasn't too long. You could probably just skip through it if you wanted to, but yeah, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys, and have a wonderful day. I already said that, but sweet. Have a wonderful day. Wonderful day.